almost 2 months now. What I have in my hand are two star fruits that are decaying. So I'm using them as compost. The ginger plants that we just harvested, I'm using the plants as compost as well. We harvested the ginger and not the ginger plants. So I'm just using the plants as compost. So this will give us, well, this will give the plant that we're going to plant out more nutrients. And you will know in just a few seconds what the plant is. We have more here, so let me go quickly. We're supposed to get some rains. I think this is a tropical storm. And I'm not sure if the name is Raphael, something to that effect. Alright, so you can compost your plants. Nothing goes to waste. Once the plants, they're not diseased, you can go ahead and compost them. So use up all the resources that you can from your garden. Alright. I'm going to place them on top as mulch. So I'm going to do that now. First up, let me just put what I want as mulch in that container right there. Alright, so the plant will get nutrients from the top and also from the bottom. So the roots will be well provided for. Alright, so let me just mix this in. Alright, so I'm adding in some Trifactor. This is an organic fertilizer. Alright, so this little plant was gifted to me from September the 8th, almost 2 months now. So, do you know what plant is this? Alright guys, I'm shouting because the neighbor is doing work on his house. This is a gimbalene plant, and when I got it, it had a few sprigs. Now it's grown up a bit, so it needs to be potted out. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying because it's very loud out here. Alright, so this is what we have to contend with sometimes when we're doing our videos, but the work must go on. Alright, so I'm going to transplant it in this bigger container right here. Alright, so I'm just going to tear it out of this bag. and it has good root systems, as you can see. Alright, so what I'm doing is just to backfill a bit and take this leaf off, and this one. So adding more fruit trees to our food forest. This is one of them. So stay tuned for next fruit tree that will be added. Alright, so we're just adding one tree at a time. So let's see what the other tree will be. I'm going to water it in now. And then I'm going to mulch it with the ginger plants, ginger cuttings. This is where we're going to end. So do remember to start that garden one container at a time. And we will see you pretty soon. Thank you for your support. We appreciate it very much. And to our subscribers, and old and new, we do appreciate the love. So I'm adding the mulch so the soil will not dry out that quickly, so the moisture will be retained in the soil as much as possible. Alright, so that's it. And the rain is coming, so bye.